ஹலோ ஆல் சார் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முகப்பேர்லேருந்து வராரு. நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்க்கும்போதே சொன்னேன், சார் கன்சிடர் மீ அஸ் ஒரு யங்கர் சிஸ்டராக என்னை கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கோங்கன்னு தான் சொன்னேன். ஃப்ரம் த டே ஒன் டு டுடே இஸ் his செகண்ட் செஷன். ஸோ ஹவு டு யூ ஃபீல் யுவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வித் Oxyplus?
Yeah, as I said, before this coming into this thing, I have visited a couple of other visiting centers also, but
Okay.
I felt very comfortable here.
Okay, sir.
I'm coming to my home,
Home
kind
feel.
of feel actually.
Okay, sir.
So after taking the session, I felt that the second session, I've seen a lot of good changes.
Very good, sir. Very good.
And on top of that, not only on the looks front, but I'm living with multiple sclerosis, so oxidative stress matters more.
Is the root cause.
To me,
So
root cause.
let me explain it.
Yeah.
So multiple sclerosis is a inflammation and of the nervous system along with a lot of
I can say in normal terminology, my own nervous system will kill my own
Autoimmune.
nerves.
Autoimmune.
It's called
Simply.
autoimmune disorder. So it will be it may not be a cure, but it will give some add-on advantage, my oxidative stress will come down.
Yes.
With this actually.
So antioxidants, if you give antioxidants to the body, the oxidative stress will come down and the nervous system will heal. That's the protocol we are following for the multiple sclerosis. And within the span of 2 to 3 sessions, sir is feeling much better, and we have started working on the gut also from today. So let's post a next testimonial with a complete cure, and we know that multiple sclerosis don't have a complete cure, but we can maintain the inflammation level, we can bring down the inflammation, we can bring down the oxidative stress, and we can improve,
very very important,
very important to improve the quality of life. And finally, when it comes to autoimmune, healing the gut is the first protocol. So we are working on the gut. So it's like a holistic healing when it comes to autoimmune. So that's why we are working for it, and I'm grateful sir chosen Oxyplus for the recovery, sir.
Definitely. So and I have passed down the information to few of my members.
Okay, sir.
Since it is the rarest of the rare health issue, there are some 20 plus people in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu itself.
Okay.
So we meet every month, and I pass on the information.
Okay, sir.
So the few of them are eager, not for the looks, but oxidative stress and everything will come down.
That's very important. Even I have treated so far or 4 people of the same condition of multiple sclerosis, and they have improved the quality of life is almost 50 to 60% improved than before. முன்னாடி பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களால நடக்கவே முடியாது, அவங்களால அந்த ஸ்டிஃபா இருக்கும் பாடி, இன்ஃப்ளேம்டா இருக்கும், கோவம் நிறைய வரும், and then நிறைய அந்த ஜங்க் கிரேவிங்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம்
I can tell the today's scenario itself, because instead of going to the ground floor, I have come to the first floor, which is a great thing for me.
That's an improvement. So ground floor க்கு போகாம first floor வந்திருக்காரு without ஒரு support system. That's a very important thing. Thank you so much, sir. If you wanted to say Oxyplus in one word, what do you suggest, sir?
It's awesome.
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 Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So you wanted to convey anything to the people?
I'm fine. Now next time you guys can see me flying.
Flying. Okay. Thank you, sir. Grateful for such kind of we can start, sir. இருங்க அப்படியே கண்டினியூ ஆகட்டும் வீடியோ.
And this is this is a sign that whatever I said was true. It rings.
So universe is answering அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, sir. அப்படி நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, bro. I'll call it as a bro. Okay. Okay, bro. Please, we'll start. Okay. நீங்க கிளம்பிடலாம் ground floor.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, done. Happy?
Yeah.
Happy. Thank you, bro.
Thanks. Bye.